अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की वीडियो में हम 8606 क्विज़ के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव है। क्वेश्चन मोस्टली रिपीट हो रहे हैं, तो आपने इस वीडियो को फुल वॉच करना है और इन क्वेश्चंस और आंसर को अपने माइंड में रखना है। इंशाल्लाह आपके भी 20/20 आएंगे। सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज़ कल्चर ट्रांसपोज कैन बी पॉसिबल बाय डैश। करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी सोशल कंट्रोल। Question number 2. Group norms do not include dash. Correct option B. Punishment. Group are developed to perform dash. Correct option C. Task function. Teacher is considered the agent of dash in a society. Correct option D. Change. The dash is a secondary source of socialization. Correct option C. Institution. Which is an agent of socialization? Correct option A. All the above. Means mass media, family, peer. All the above. A society depends on dash institute for its survival. Correct option D. Social. Family has a social institute has. Correct option C. No physical structure. Dash types of social control are mainly used. Correct option D. 5. Dash is any transgression of socially established norms. Correct option C. Violation of social norms. Schools are dash. Correct option A. Micro societies. Dash motivation generates from within an individual. Correct option A. Intrinsic. In teaching, the behavioristic theory help to dash students for learning. Correct option C. Motivate. Dash is an element of modernization. Correct option C. Technological change. Dash plays a significant role in placing the educated individuals into social classes. Correct option D. Education. Phone calls is a dash form of communication. Correct option D. D. Synchorous. Culture is seen as a system of dash. Correct option C. Social control. Dash preserve the culture. Correct option A. Social control. An individual in a group should not work dash. Correct option B. Independently. Socialization is a dash. Correct option B. Process. Which type of socialization begins at home? Correct option A. Primary socialization. Public opinion is dash. Correct option C. Agency of social control. Society depends on school for promoting. Correct option C. Ethical consideration. The hard form of presentation can be given in the form of dash. Correct option C. Handouts. The cognitive knowledge is mostly checked through. Correct option A. Test. Avoiding dash is a technique in learning languages. Correct option D. Idioms. Dash is the key for maintaining peace in a community. Correct option A. Tolerance. Public space in an area reflect the social. Correct option A. Capital. Handicraft is a part of dash. Correct option A. Culture. Which is not a common type of group. Correct option D. Personal group. A society depends on dash institute for its survival. Correct option A, social. आई होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो और आपको दूसरी वीडियो का लिंक भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब। थैंक यू।